So I'm gonna put 90 grains of black powder into here, and we're gonna be shooting a shot out of the rifled muzzleloader barrel to see what it patterns. Once we're done with that, we're gonna try a new 3D printed load to see if it tightens it up at all. So 90 grain. Marcus, will you hold this? Thank you. I have my assistant here, Marcus. So then this is 7.5 shot. And we're just gonna fill up the same container as the powder. Pour that down the barrel. And then I'm gonna take some of this wadding here. I think these are 4 wads just to sit on top so it doesn't run down the barrel. And I think I'll have to ball it up. I've got a number 10 percussion cap. We're gonna try it out. So for this video, I am using my Kentucky rifle by Traditions. It's a kit I put together myself. And this rifle has rifling, and it's a 1 66 inch twist barrel. So we're here at 30 yards. We're gonna see what the pattern looks like. All right, let's count the number we have on target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we're gonna tape a new target and we're gonna try our 3D printed load. So what I'm using here, my buddy Zach 3D printed for me. This is a plastic shotgun wad. And we're gonna see if this wad shoots out of my rifled barrel any better than without it. How much of that fit in there?
Almost all of it.
Almost all of it. Okay, so we lost some pellets there. There we go. Sure. Get a load of that in there. I think it'll shoot good.
Go.
There you go.
Sucker's blown apart.
Oh, looks about the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Man, that's disappointing. What do you think happened?
That's a good question.
Should we try